Valentin in Bucharest, Romania writes, Paul, I constantly follow your channel and I can tell that I've learned a lot from you, but I don't understand one thing. Just one? You're doing better than me, buddy. All right. I ripped a CD in WAV files at 44.1 16 bits and the result was okay. I converted the files in DSD 64 with Easy CD Audio Converter, and I had a nice surprise. The DSD file sounds much better than the original WAV file. Can you explain to me why? Well, I can guess. I don't know that I can explain to you for sure because I haven't done the research and the work to find out in your specific instance what happened. But here's my guess. Your DAC sounds better when it's reproducing DSD, as many DACs do. Take our DAC, the direct stream DAC, and it is a pure DSD DAC. We take everything, we convert it to DSD. We then take that DSD signal and run it straight through a low-pass filter out into your power amplifier or preamplifier, and it sounds terrific. Why? Because DSD, pulse density modulation, 1 bit, running continuously at some speed, like for instance, in that particular instance in our DSD MK2 DAC, we're running it at about 11 megahertz. That continuous stream is as close as you're ever going to get to analog. And it sounds like that. I mean, why do you think we go to all the trouble to build a DAC that runs against everybody else's DAC? I mean, the vast majority of D to A converters on the market don't use DSD as the final output stage. They can take DSD in, but it's converted to another format, and then using standard sample and hold technology, it's reproduced in more of a PCM format. We use DSD because it is so analog-like. It's why at Octave Records we record everything in DSD. And when we listen to it back on our DAC, it plays in DSD. So that's my guess as to why you heard that. Because when you convert from an original capture in PCM to DSD, there's no advantage, digitally speaking, as far as increased information or anything like that. I mean, you can't make something out of nothing. But the conversion process and then the playback process can be so different, just like the recording process. So that's my guess, and I hope that helps.